The Katoliko brothers, they are dili man yun si Dr. Bubot sa SPAC, dili man na siya minister, but they have another older brother, Pastor Charles, who has retired. Pastor Charles, Pastor Jonathan, and Pastor Willie, the former executive secretary of the union. The Jimenez brothers are also three. Pastor Robert, the former president here, Pastor Rudy, the present president of Western Mindanao, and Pastor Roger, who is the stewardship director of Northeastern Mindanao. There was a time na kining grupo gusto ni maghimog male chorus. It was supposed to be during the last Congress in Mountain View. Unfortunately, I was not able to come home from Korea because of heavy appointments at the time. So wala ko na dayon. But the young man in our family, the youngest boy, when we saw him, siya may pinanguran, I'm the third, and I told you, sa napulo ka magsuon, ikatulo ko, sa kapay pito nga magsuon, kaya siya may tumuy. Number 10. When he was younger, he stayed with us when we were newly married, and I have seen his potential. He was going to be a good preacher too. Unfortunately, nasayta ang kinabuhi, nasangit sa saya na ninyo sa'yo. Nasangit sa saya. Anyway, pag-uli na mo kaisa when we were having our polo from Africa, we saw him staying in our home, in our parents' home. O, nag-drive siya ng bisikleta, papasahiro. Oh my. Ako mangut. Panginabuhi. Driver o bisikleta, sikat-sikat. Tayo sa kabog anak. Is this what you are looking out in your life? Mo ning imong gipangandaman nga niundang sa eskwela. Sa adik man. Mo ni ka maun gusto nimo nga dangatan sa imong anak mag-drive o tricycle. Sa dili. Ang akong anak kung madako na siya, dili siya mag-drive o tricycle. Magdaa siya notebook, mag-ilista siya sa tanang tricycle ipang-uwi. Dili siya driver, operator siya. Proprietor. Is that how you look forward sa imong direction in life? Duko siya na dahil sa tingog. So I ask him the question. I'll ask you a question, you have to give me an answer, yes or no. Are you still interested in going back to school? Pakunutin mo. Listen to bagot. Pakihapunutin mo. Yes, I'm asking you very sincerely. This is your brother. We love you, you know that. Are you still going back? Are you still interested in going back to school? Ringo siya, hilag siya. Di pa nga mo sinundan na niundan ko. Kung naibalot ko, lukuran ka na kayo. But I told you, answer me with only a yes or no. My simple question, I'll repeat it. Are you still interested in going back to college? So, wala. Amotos, back up yung malita, ugma, sakay, ingon sa Central Philippine Adventist College. I already left 30,000 sa treasury sa Central Philippine Union College kay pabalikon ka lang mag-school. Ito, i-forward na lang to nila. That's good for, as long as, amo na lang na i-channel diha sa union ang payments na lang. So, go back there.